Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a new folder using a shortcut. Whether you're organizing files or working on a project, this shortcut will save you time. Let's get started. Shortcut to create a new folder. To instantly create a new folder, press Ctrl-Shift-N. This works in File Explorer and on the desktop. As soon as you press the shortcut, a new folder will appear, ready to be renamed. Alternative method. If the shortcut doesn't work for some reason, you can also 1. Right-click on an empty space. 2. Select New Folder from the menu. 3. A new folder will appear, and you can name it immediately. And that's how you create a new folder instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.